Welcome to our in-depth review of the Epson FastFoto FF-680W wireless high-speed photo and document scanning system. This innovative device promises to revolutionize the way we digitize and preserve our precious memories, and we're excited to put it through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what sets the Epson FastFoto apart from other photo scanning systems on the market. With its claim of being the world's fastest personal photo scanner, it's clear that this device is designed for speed and efficiency. According to Epson, you can scan an astonishing 1 photo per second at 300 dpi, which is an incredible feat considering the bulk of the average person's photo collection. Additionally, you can batch scan up to 36 photos at a time, making short work of even the largest collections. But speed is just half the story. The Epson FastFoto FF-680W is also designed to make organizing and sharing your photos a breeze. The device can handle anything from Polaroid photos and panoramas to postcards, and even photos up to 8 by 10 inches in size. This means you can digitize not only your favorite snapshots, but also larger format prints and even items like certificates and artwork. Now, one of the standout features of the Epson FastFoto is its integrated Epson FastFoto app for smartphones. This app allows you to add voice and text to your photos, creating a multimedia experience that brings your memories to life. You can also use the app to create slideshows of your favorite photos, share them with friends and family via social media or email, or even order prints and other merchandise. But how does the Epson FastFoto actually perform? We spent hours testing the device, scanning thousands of photos and documents, and our results have been nothing short of impressive. With its advanced imaging technology and precision optics, the FastFoto produces stunning, high-quality scans that are sure to last for generations to come. One of the first things we noticed is how easy the device is to set up and use. Simply place your photos on the scanning tray, adjust the settings to your liking, and let the FastFoto do the rest. The device features a range of scanning modes, including automatic, manual, and custom modes, allowing you to tailor the scanning process to your specific needs. In our tests, we found that the FastFoto performed incredibly well, even with complex items like scanned panoramas and documents with multiple images. The device's advanced imaging technology ensures that your photos are accurately captured, with no pixelation or distortion. And with its high-capacity memory, you can store and organize thousands of photos without breaking a sweat. Another key feature of the Epson FastFoto is its ability to recognize and correct common image defects, such as dust, scratches, and creases. This is thanks to its built-in perfect picture imaging technology, which uses advanced algorithms to analyze and improve your images on the fly. We were amazed at how effectively the FastFoto corrected even the most damaged or worn images, making them look like new. So what about the scanner itself? As we mentioned earlier, the Epson FastFoto FF-680W features a wireless design, allowing you to scan and transfer your files to your smartphone, tablet, or PC using Bluetooth 4.2 and Wi-Fi connectivity. The device itself is compact and sleek, measuring just 7.4 by 12.1 by 4.2 inches, making it a breeze to use and store. Now, we know some of you may be thinking, isn't the Epson FastFoto just a glorified photo scanner? But we think that's a misnomer. The FastFoto is so much more than that. It's a device designed to help you preserve your memories, organize your files, and share your stories with the world. In our eyes, the Epson FastFoto FF-680W is a must-have device for anyone with a large collection of photos or documents to scan. Whether you're a family historian, a professional archivist, or simply someone looking to digitize their photo collection, the FastFoto is the perfect tool for the job. And finally, we'd like to address any concerns about cost and value. At first glance, the Epson FastFoto may seem like a premium product with a premium price tag. However, considering the number of high-quality scans you can produce with this device, we think the cost is well worth it. In conclusion, our experience with the Epson FastFoto FF-680W has been nothing short of phenomenal. This device has redefined what we expect from a photo scanner, offering a combination of speed, image quality, and flexibility that's unmatched in its class. Whether you're a seasoned photographer, a genealogist, or simply someone looking to digitize their family treasures, the FastFoto is the perfect solution. We recommend the Epson FastFoto FF-680W to anyone looking for a cutting-edge photo scanning solution that's both fast and affordable. With its seamless integration with the Epson FastFoto app, advanced imaging technology, and compact design, this device truly stands head and shoulders above the competition. So why wait? Get scanning and preserve your memories today with the Epson FastFoto FF-680W. This has been our review of the Epson FastFoto FF-680W wireless high-speed photo and document scanning system. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more insightful reviews with you in the future.